Amazon has unveiled its streaming video device, the Fire TV. At $100, the price is on par with Apple TV and Roku 3. So what's the difference? Well, it's all about the ecosystem and where you already spend your money. Fire TV is the newest kid on the block, and it packs a punch. It has more than twice the memory and speed of its competitors. One cool feature is voice search through the remote control.
Sub-Zero.
If you add a $40 controller, you've also got yourself a cheap video game console. Kindle Fire owners will like the second screen experience and taking their videos on the go. Fire TV does not have HBO Go like Apple TV and Roku 3, at least not yet, but it does have Showtime, which is missing from Apple TV. Apple TV is for the Apple faithful. If you've got an iPad, MacBook, and iPhone, this is a no-brainer. Apple's ecosystem is built to work together seamlessly. You can also watch videos or listen to music right from your iTunes library, even if they weren't originally purchased from Apple. On the other hand, Fire TV does not let you stream files that you downloaded elsewhere. Roku 3 is for true cord cutters. It's a third-party device that plays several media formats, and it has a ton of channels that are missing from the other two devices. It comes with games like Angry Birds and Video Poker, but uses your Roku remote instead of a game controller. It also has a micro SD card slot for additional storage. Otherwise, all three devices support up to 7.1 Dolby Digital sound, with Fire TV supporting Dolby Digital Plus. Okay, they're all pretty similar, so which one should you buy? If you're looking to drop your cable subscription, Roku 3 just might hit the sweet spot. But if you already live in Apple's ecosystem, stick with Apple TV. And if you want a little bit of everything, go for Fire TV.